Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. I know you may be wondering, why am I in a bonnet and a gown? Why am I looking tired? It is Wednesday morning, the 16th of February, and it is 7:45 in the morning. I've taken a shower and I am getting ready to go to work. So I just wanted to go through, I guess, my morning routine with you guys when I go to work, so that you have an understanding of what it's like to have natural hair in the morning. My hair at the moment is something else. Essentially, I slept in I just lowered my puff and slept in it because I was tired. It's been a really long week and it's only Wednesday, so I was exhausted. I wanted to sleep early. I slept at about 10:30, which is quite early for me these days, and I'm still tired. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you how I revived this bad boy so that I look decent for work. And on the weekend, that's when I'll, really take care of it and things like that. Or if I get a chance tomorrow or Friday, I can do that. So in terms of what I wear to work, I usually pick out my outfit the day before, or pick out at least two, because I'm a bit indecisive. I'm still working on my indecision. That's what I would like for me to do. Still working on my indecision. Usually have two outfits, two pairs of shoes, because you have to figure out how you're feeling in the morning. So one of the main reasons today why I have two is because we are going out for a work function. So one of those work things and stuff like that. So I have this dress here with the belt, which is a bit more summery, but then I have also this dress here, which has long sleeves, and it's quite tight at the top. So it's meant to be 27 degrees today, but it's like overcast, and yesterday it was meant to be 26, but it was still quite chilly. So I'm still like, I don't know. My main preference is this dress because it's just easy. I can wear a pair of black shoes and gold hoop earrings and I'm gone. But at the same time, this is really cute, and summery, florally. I actually had to patch up really quickly yesterday the side because it was like gaping, because I have a smaller top half, so it was like gaping here. So I was like, this is not cute. So I am going to check the weather again, see where we're at with the weather, and then sometimes I'll put on something and I actually go outside and see how I'm feeling outside. But I think for the sake of just so I don't get hot, I might wear this one. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna wear, then we'll come back and we'll start doing my hair. It's 7:48, so I need to leave in about 5 minutes. Okay, I put on this dress, a bit more summery, but I'm gonna take this blazer with me to wear on top. So in case it gets chilly, we're gonna revive my hair in like 60 seconds. I have a leave-in conditioner spray from Sheer Moisture. I have my water spritz bottle. I have this brush, I don't know what it's called, hard bristle brush. And then also I have my handy dandy comb. You guys know about this comb. What I'm gonna do first is obviously spray my hair so that we are not working on dry hair, because another part about I guess having hair that you just sleep in is that it's gonna be dry, and it is dry. So as I'm spraying it, I'm like sort of pulling it a bit to help it stretch out, because it would have shrunk from being slept on. But the reason why I pull it down when I sleep on it is so that my hair doesn't break, and it's because of staying in the same position all the time, which is up, and to give my hair a break, and my head as well. So now that I spritzed my hair, I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner as well. And spritz it, the front as well. obviously I'm running out. Then I'm gonna go in with this brush, the end, the afro part, and I'm just gonna lightly dust out these parts, just the end. So my ends should be a bit damp, so this shouldn't be hurting. So this is what will help you create that fluffiness that went away. And while I'm doing that, I'm also stretching my hair. So if you have time, you can do it like this, but I don't have time. So we do it like this. But just be careful that you're not raking through your hair. So your hair should be damp. My hair is a bit longer. My comb is stuck. There we go. My hair is a bit longer now, so I don't mind making my hair a little bit more wetter than usual and allowing it to shrink a bit. But if you care about your shrinkage and things like that, because your hair is a bit shorter and you want all the length you can get, make sure your hair is very well moisturized and then spray a little bit. And then get the middle, because that's the part that's always the lowest and neglected. So now you can already see the difference in the hair. So now I'm gonna go in with my flat bristle brush and comb out. So since my hair is wet, it'll just take in all those little stray hairs. And then sometimes I just use one headband, one hair tie like this. It makes it easier than using the woolen string, but it still does the job, especially for me. So as you can see that it's a lot smaller because it is wet, but I don't mind because what matters is at the end of the day, my hair does not get raked. Then I'm gonna go in with the flat bristle and just do my baby hairs a little bit. I don't use gel during the week because it's just so much effort, and I'm one of those people who gets pimples after using gel and not wiping it off, so it's a big deal for me. So this is pretty much my hair done. I usually don't wear makeup to work. Sometimes I do. On a day like this I should, but yeah. And I'm wearing these heels since we're going out somewhere and things like that. Obviously the business will want us to look nice and, you know, look presentable. So yeah. And then in terms of makeup, sometimes I wear makeup. I'll usually do my eyebrows or my eyelashes, but today, because it's nearly 8 o'clock, my alarm to leave, or you should have left by now, it's gonna leave soon, it's gonna ring soon, so I'm not gonna do that. Plus we'll be wearing masks anyway, so you know. And I'm pretty much done. So now I'm gonna get my lunch bag, my bag, and head out and get to work. Okay, so it's 9:05. Should have left. I have my shoes here. Then I have my other shoes, which I'm gonna drive in, and also I might actually wear, but then just wear the heels for the event. I've changed my jacket because I think this looks a lot better with the outfit, because it's not a sort of corporate dress, and the blazer, I don't know, was weighing it down, so I guess this makes it a bit more summery. So hopefully the weather isn't too cool. But anyway, we have blankets at work, so I'll be all right. I'm just gonna get my lunch and